neck hiding. So your girl been in the gym heavy. It's like I'm just sucking it in. But this is my outfit for today. I have a love-hate relationship with this hair right now. My thighs looking like that. Let's zoom in. There we go. My outfit for the day. Looking slim and trim like I've been in the gym. Okay, let go. This hair is literally all over the place. Oh my gosh, I have like a love-hate relationship with this wig. Like, it looks so good, but it sheds so much. It's annoying. But anyway, hey, ooh, I just smacked myself in the face. Hey y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Oh, this looks like that. Hold on real quick. Oh, and I think I'm leaving my ID. I'm bugging out. Oh my god. Yeah, I left my ID. Ugh. Back in we go. Alright, I'll be back, guys. Uno momento. Let's do this again. Ooh! If I was bald-headed, it would look cute. Maybe not. But anyway, hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time here, make sure you go ahead and like, subscribe, turn on your post notifications so that you are officially a part of my journey. Okay, hold on. Ooh. Yes! Okay, now we're ready. So, are you guys ready? Because I'm ready. Let's go. I think I have everything now. Alright. So, if you know me, you know that I'm like super playful. Might play a little too much sometimes, but I can't help it. Like, I love a good laugh. I love to laugh. And that's just me. So there's this thing that I've been doing. Like, whenever we have like packages or people come, like someone comes to make like a delivery for something and they ring the doorbell, like I will be on there and I will be like, help me, help me. Now I got like a few reactions out of people in the past, which I wish I had saved those videos, but I didn't. So this happened the other night around 2 o'clock. The video that I'm going to show you guys happened around 2 o'clock the other night. Darnell, he decided that he was going to order some pizza. No, it wasn't 2 o'clock, it was around 12 o'clock, and they came at like maybe like a little after 1. So when the lady came to deliver the pizza, when she rang the doorbell, I started with my shenanigans. I was like, help me, like please help me. So she's standing at the door and I'm thinking she's about to take off, but she didn't. She stayed. So I'm going to show you guys that clip now. Help me. Help me. Psycho. Just a minute. Help me. Help me. Help me.
Hi, how are you?
Help me.
I was asking, what is going on here? He about to freak me out. I'm like about to run this way.
Oh
Well, y'all have a evening.
You too. I make it like super believable, like there's someone inside that actually need help. I think I'm gonna make this a thing on my channel. It's not gonna happen too often because it's not too often where I will catch someone at the door. Like normally when we get packages or whatever, sometimes they'll ring the doorbell, they won't stay and they'll leave. So whenever we do get someone that actually like ring the doorbell and is actually standing there, I will mess with their heads a little bit, and then I'll save the recording from that and upload it so you guys can see their reaction. So this is something that is going to be official. I think I'm going to call it the ring prank, something like that. I don't know, I'll figure it out once I'm editing and all that stuff. Let me know in the comment section what you guys think. Should I make this a thing or not? Well, even if you guys don't comment, I'm gonna make it a thing, because for a while, I'm gonna make it a thing as often as I can, because to me it's like super funny, it's hilarious. I posted on my social media the other day and people thought it was hilarious. So I'm like, you know what, I probably should make this a thing, because it's something that I've been doing for like since we've had the doorbell, which is what, over 3-4 years now, and it's been super funny. And I wished I would have saved those clips from like the times in the past when I've been doing it. But hey, you guys will get like the new episodes or the new series or whatever.
One eternity later.
My eye is like bothering me, so I'm trying to get some headshots done too while I'm out here. We'll see how that goes. If I could get those done, then I'll set the camera up so you guys can see. I don't think I could wait around until 3 o'clock, man. I'm about to go see if I can get some cupcakes. I'm trying to burn some time. I got the uniform exchange done, and I have a whole 30 minutes left. So now I'm like, what the hell do I do? Something told me to bring my computer so I could work on stuff that I have to work on, but no, I left it at home. And now I'm like, what do I do with all this time? Ugh, I hate wasting all this time. So it's been a long time since I've indulged in some really good cupcakes. So why not treat myself, right? I love cupcakes. And I'm gonna have all these. Yes, I am. Like, whenever I come and get cupcakes, I always get 5 or 6. Do not judge me. No judging. This is a no judging zone. I repeat, this is a no judging zone. Ooh. 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 Oh my god. So good. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed, give this video a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on your post notifications so that you are officially a part of my journey.